Hello everyone, welcome to the series of lectures on database systems. In this video, we will discuss 5 conditions that where class supports. So first and one of them is comparison of values. So we will be working on the live SQL database and running actually the queries. So let's run the first query, that is the comparison. So here we are interested in showing all the employees whose salary is less than 50,000. So we can run the query and see what happens. So we have these two employees who have salary that is less than 10,000, sorry, 50,000. So we can also check for the salary that is let's say for example equal to 50,000. So let's see if we have any employee who have 50,000 salary. So we have no employee that has the salary of 50,000. Let's check for the 55,000. So we have an employee that has the 55,000 salary? Yes, we have only one employee who has 55,000 salary. So and then we can also check that our employee who has not salary equal to 55,000. So all the employees whose salary is not 50,000, these are listed. So we are interested in for example seeing all the employees whose salary is not equal to 55,000. And then we have another condition, that is the range. So we have the between and not between. So let's see what we can do. So for example, we are interested in seeing the salary of employees between, let's say 10,000 and 15,000, 55,000. So let's check. So we have these 3 employees whose salary is between 10,000 and 55,000. So if we also try to see not between, so it will not list these 3 employees and list all the others. So we have these employees whose salary is not between in 10,000 and 50,000. So we have tested this second one, and then we have the third one, that is the set membership. And for the set membership we can check for example anything. Let's say we are checking for the designation. So we are seeing all the employees whose designation in say manager, supervisor, so we have these 4 employees whose designation is either manager or supervisor. So for example, we can also say all the employees who are not manager or supervisor. So we can write the query like this, not in, and then this not in will show us that we have the 2 employees who are not manager or supervisor, but they are for example programmer or assistant. So we can also apply this in on another column. Let's see what we have. First of all, we just show all the employees. And then say for example we are interested in all the employees whose last name in Khan, Ali. So which are employees whose last name is either Khan or Ali. So we can check this. Sorry, we have the error in the query, so we will just, so actually we forgot to write the where class. So where last name in, so we have these employees whose last name is Khan or Ali. And also we can check not in. So all the employees whose last name is not Khan or Ali will be listed. And then we have the fourth one, that is the pattern matching. And for the pattern matching, we can say, for example, where last name like Khan, or say all the employees whose last name start with A and ends with anything. So here we have all the employees whose last name start with A. So we have Ahmed, Ahmed, Ali, Ali. And then say, do we have first name that start with A? So all the employees whose name start with A are listed here. And if we like not like, then we will have all the employees whose name does not start with A. So we have these employees. And then we can also check, do we have any employee whose first name has the character Z? So we can say in the beginning 0 or more characters and in the end 0 or more characters, but we are interested in Z. So Z can be anywhere. So we have these 4 employees, Raza, Fiza, Aiza, who have Z in their name. And then we can also check, for example, any employee whose first character is anything, any character. So, and then the next character should be, say, I, and then we have 0 or more characters. So we have these Fiza, Aiza, these 3 employees whose name start with any character. So this underscore says any character but single character, and then the second character is I, and then 0 or more characters. So this is a pattern matching. And also if we write not like, so all the employees whose second character is not I will be listed here. And then finally we have this fifth, that is the null. And then for the null we can check, for example, do we have any employee whose designation is null? Yes, we have these 2 employees whose designation is null. Is, if we write is not null, so we have these employees whose designation is not null. So we can check for the null also. So this is it. We just tested 5 conditions with the where clause. So thank you for watching, and please keep watching.